Hey y'all, welcome to Fridai's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making a super moist, delicious dark chocolate bundt cake with a peanut butter glaze. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our cake batter. In the bowl I have our eggs. I'm going to turn that on just long enough to break the yolks, and then I'm going to go in with the vegetable oil and the granulated sugar. While this is mixing, I'm going to go ahead and add the vanilla extract. Now that this is combined, I'm going to start adding my dry ingredients as well as the rest of my wet ingredients. So in my dry ingredients, I have flour, cocoa powder, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Wet ingredients, I have coffee and buttermilk. The full recipe will be down below in the description box, but I'm going to alternate between dry and wet. So I'm going to add some of the dry ingredients and alternate between the coffee and the buttermilk. Key point, always start with your dry ingredients and end with your dry ingredients. And just like that, our cake batter is done. So let me remove the bowl from the stand mixer, grab my cake pan, and we'll be right back. So this is the bundt pan we're going to use to bake the cake. I am going to start by spraying with Baker's Joy. Now I'm going to add my cake batter. I don't know that I will use it all. This pan may be a little too small for that. If I don't, I'll just make cupcakes with some of the leftover batter. Our oven has been preheated to 350 degrees and bake anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. But we'll cook it long enough to make sure a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, so this is what I have left. Not a whole lot at all, but I don't want to overfill this pan because I don't want it to spill over as it bakes. Again, our oven has been preheated to 350 degrees. This cake will bake anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour, but as always, I'll let you guys know exactly how long it takes in my oven when I remove it. Okay, so I'm popping back in really quickly just to let you guys know that I did decide to go ahead and put the rest of the batter in the pan since it wasn't that much left over. So fingers crossed this does not spill over as it bakes. So here's the cake after 55 minutes in the oven. It did not bake over. It did sink just a little in the middle, as you can see here. It's actually not as bad as it looks on camera. But we're gonna let this hang out in the pan for about 10 minutes and then I'll turn it out onto a plate. So here is a closer look at the cake. We're gonna set it aside, let it completely cool, and then in the meantime, we're gonna get started on the peanut butter glaze. Here I have 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. To this, I'm gonna add a splash of vanilla extract, and then I'm gonna go in and add enough milk until I reach my desired consistency. Up next, we're going to add the peanut butter. I'm using natural Jif peanut butter, and I'm going to take a heaping tablespoon. So in all actuality, it's probably about 1.5 tablespoons. I'm going to add it to the glaze mixture, and then I'm going to stir until everything is well combined. Now that the peanut butter glaze is nice and smooth, we're going to go ahead and grab our cake and finish everything up. We have made it to the end of our video. Here we have the finished product, the dark chocolate bundt cake with a peanut butter glaze. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up before you leave. I would greatly appreciate it. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.